love I now can make my boast. It robs me not of food or sleep, nor cold I feel, nor heat almost. Nor do I yawn, nor do I weep, nor make I nightly voyage. Nor am I conquered, nor in straits, nor am I doleful, nor in spades. Nor do I send a message, nor am I tricked, nor caught in baits. For with my dice I have left the fates. Another joy I hold foremost. I cause no treachery nor weep, nor fear I traitors nor their boast, nor jealous brute that steals my sleep, nor render fools vassalage. Nor am I wounded nor prostrates, nor am I taken nor in straits, nor gape I long in service, nor say I am by love's strict fates, nor say my heart's in thief's estates. Nor say I die for fairest boast, nor say the fair one makes me weep, nor do I pray nor praise her most, nor ask I her nor for her weep, nor do I pay her homage, nor yield myself, nor share her fates, nor am I hers in servile states, nor pledge my heart in hostage, nor am I bound nor in her straits, but say I now escape her fates. The vanquished goes to earth to sleep, who tames his heart's fierce rampage from faithless wills and their estates, when spring the deeds that mock the fates and other deeds of outrage. That victory is more praised by fates than if he had conquered 100 states. The suitor's prim prayers little boast, when he believes she will turn and weep, turns her worth to vile lust's boast, whence right at parting deals but weep. If she follow wild usage, soon ample praise is far from fate's, more praise the worthy than the fates. Too straitly holds a hostage the loyal lover love's dark fates, less prize the dearer bought in states.